The Driver, your source for the latest car news and reviews.
Hey guys, today we're test driving the all-new Range Rover Evoque. This one right here is the 4-door model. What we're going to do is we're going to try it out and see what kind of fuel economy it achieves. So let's cycle through the numbers that we have right here. So as you can see, the instantaneous fuel economy is 99.9. It's an artificial number, it's not its actual fuel economy. We just have the engine running right now. Distance to empty is approximately 586 kilometers. We're going to get to the end of this video and tell you how well it achieved that number. The car's done 6,945 kilometers so far, and we've driven approximately 0.3 kilometers since we reset the trip meter. That's why all the numbers are showing as nothing. So let's drive this around for a week and see how well it does. Or let's drive it around until the fuel tank goes empty, rather. So stay tuned. So we've been driving around the Evoque for about a week now, and we're just going to see what kind of fuel numbers we have achieved so far. So the fuel tank is low, and that means that our gas is almost over. As you can see, the white bar is just around where the red line is, at the bottom of the fuel gauge. So let's see what we have. So as you can see, we have driven approximately 419 kilometers. So our journey has basically been 419 kilometers, plus now we have we started and stop it again. 85 kilometers left. So we've driven 419 and we have 85 kilometers left. So that means that we will approximately have around 504 kilometers. That is the actual fuel range if I take what I've driven plus what I have left. So if you remember originally, I think the number was 586 or so. So that leaves a discrepancy of 82 kilometers, 80 to 82 kilometers that are unaccounted for. Now, considering that it is a four-cylinder turbo engine, and there are always going to be discrepancies based on various factors such as how often the turbo kicks in, the turbo lag, etc. And the kind of force you put into the actual driving. And I've been driving it pretty hard, meaning I've been accelerating, just to test the acceleration and stuff like that. I've been testing it quite hard. And based on all that, I think an 82 discrepancy isn't that bad. I've driven cars that have significantly higher discrepancies, so I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can expect to achieve when you actually buy the car, and that's around 5, just a bit above 500 kilometers. So that would be 85 plus 419. Another thing we're going to do is we're going to take it to the pump and see how much it costs to fill up based on the current fuel prices. And we're going to be filling premium fuel, so keep that in mind. So we've just maxed out the fuel tank at $87.07 for 55 liters of gas at a cost of $1.56 a liter. So that's again premium fuel, and that's how much it's cost us to do a full tank on the beautiful Range Rover Evoque. So hopefully that helps you decide based on fuel economy. And if you have any questions, feel free to post within the video. Thank you.
For the latest car news and reviews, go to www.thedriver.ca.